There is not only a dearth of trained and qualified nurses in the country, but the quality and regulation of this profession needs a major revamp. Our government has introduced significant reforms in this area to improve the quality of nursing education and bring transparency and efficiency in the regulation of this critically important profession. The landmark, state-of-the-art King Hamad University of Nursing and Associated Medical Sciences would not only uplift the standard of nursing education in the country, but also produce top-quality nursing professionals. This would have a positive impact on the quality of care and give a sense of pride to one of the hardest working professionals in our society, who work tirelessly and selflessly in serving the ailing humanity. Ladies and gentlemen, we are committed to improving the quality of human resource in the nursing profession and to further enhance its prestige. I am confident that the establishment of this university will bring the quality of nursing care in Pakistan at par with international standards, inshallah. We must continue to invest in this critical human resource if we are to take the healthcare sector forward and provide quality healthcare to our masses. I must mention here that health is one of my top priorities, and with the help of Allah Almighty, we have introduced major reforms and initiated projects that are focused on the poorest of the poor. We are taking major strides to provide health care to those who need it the most under the landmark Prime Minister's National Health Program launched in 2015. We are soon going to introduce infrastructure projects such as construction of 50 state-of-the-art hospitals in densely populated, deprived or marginalized areas throughout the country. Our goal is to provide the people of Pakistan an integrated healthcare system spanning the whole spectrum of primary to tertiary care. The program has no precedent in terms of its magnitude and nature. Under the program, universal health coverage through a cashless health insurance scheme for the poor to enable them to access needed healthcare services is being provided. The program is being implemented in a phased manner and shall provide coverage to 100 million people eventually, inshallah. Ladies and gentlemen, I am pleased to share with you that work in this regard is being undertaken expeditiously. Besides curative healthcare, we are also focusing on the preventive side. Our national immunization program is providing free of cost vaccination facilities to every Pakistani child and pregnant mother. I am pleased to note that there has been significant improvement in the coverage of vaccination. We have taken concrete steps to arrest the spread of polio in the country and now well poised to stop polio virus transmission. Ladies and gentlemen, in the end, I would like to say that we are proud of the exemplary friendship between Bahrain and Pakistan. We are confident that this learning institution would produce top quality professionals and mark a significant step in improving healthcare provisions in Pakistan. I would like to once again express my sincere gratitude to His Highness Lieutenant General Sheikh Mohammed bin Isa bin Salman Al Khalifa for extending his support to this project and for his presence among us today to grace this ceremony. Thank you. Bahrain-Pakistan friendship, Zindabad.
वज़ीर आज़म नवाज शरीफ जो कि मौजूद हैं इस्लामाबाद में शाह हमद नर्सिंग यूनिवर्सिटी की तकरीब से खिताब कर रहे थे।